Stop. Before you watch another boring English lesson, I have one question for you. Can you describe your New Year's celebration in English right now? No? Then you're in the right place.
In the next 6 minutes, you'll learn exactly how to talk about your new year like a native speaker. Real phrases, real conversations, zero boring textbook English.
I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie, and this is the HZ English Pod. Let's jump in.
So Sophie, here's the thing. Everyone learns Happy New Year in English class, right? But nobody teaches you how to actually have a real conversation about it.
Exactly. Like, what if someone asks, how did you celebrate? Or what are your plans for this year? Most learners freeze.
Not anymore. Today, we're gonna fix that. We'll show you natural phrases, common mistakes to avoid, and we'll have a real conversation so you can hear how it sounds.
And stick around till the end because we're giving you one powerful phrase that will make you sound incredibly fluent.
Okay, let's start with the past. How do you talk about what you did on New Year's Eve? Sophie, how was your New Year's Eve?
It was incredible. I went to a rooftop party with some friends. The view was stunning.
Did you notice what she said? It was incredible. Not very good or nice. Use strong adjectives. Incredible, amazing, fantastic, unforgettable.
And here's a native speaker trick. When someone asks about your celebration, start with the feeling, then the facts. It was amazing comes before I went to a party.
Let me try. Liam, what did you do? Honestly, I kept it low-key. I stayed in with my family, watched the countdown on TV, and we had this huge feast.
Kept it low-key. That's perfect. It means you did something quiet and relaxed. Very natural expression.
Now, here's where learners make mistakes. They say, I made a party or I did a celebration.
Big no-no. You don't make a party. You have a party or you go to a party. Or you can say, I threw a party if you organized it.
Right, so practice this. I went to a party, I had a quiet night in, I threw a big celebration.
And what about midnight? How do you describe that moment?
Oh, you can say when the clock struck midnight or at the stroke of midnight. It sounds poetic, right?
Or keep it simple. Right at midnight, everyone started cheering. We counted down from 10.
Quick vocabulary check. The countdown. That's when you say 10, 9, 8, 7, down to 1. Then, Happy New Year.
Now let's talk about the future. New Year's resolutions.
Ah, yes. Those promises we make to ourselves and usually break by February.
So true. But hey, in English, we need to know how to talk about them. Liam, what's your resolution this year?
My resolution is to get in shape. I want to work out at least 3 times a week.
Perfect. Notice the structure. My resolution is to. Always use to plus the verb, not my resolution is I will. Just my resolution is to learn Spanish, to save money, to read more.
What's yours, Sophie?
I'm planning to cut back on screen time. I spent way too much time on my phone.
Cut back on. Great phrasal verb. It means to reduce or do less of something. You can cut back on sugar, cut back on spending, cut back on staying up late.
Now, here's the reality check. Most people don't keep their resolutions, so natives have phrases for this too.
Oh yeah, like I'm trying to stick to my resolution or I already broke my resolution.
Stick to means to continue following through. I'm sticking to my workout plan.
And if someone asks about your resolution in March, you might say, well, I started strong, but life got busy.
That's the polite way to say you gave up.
But seriously, here's a more positive approach. Instead of resolutions, many people now say goals or intentions.
Right. My goal this year is to, or I intend to. Sounds less pressuring, more flexible.
Let's talk about some expressions natives use all the time in January.
First one, New Year, New Me. You'll hear this everywhere. It's kind of jokey, but people say it when they're trying to change something.
Or out with the old, in with the new. It means you're leaving behind old habits and starting fresh.
Here's one I love. This is my year. It's optimistic. You're saying this year will be great for you.
And when you want to wish someone well, don't just say Happy New Year. Try wishing you all the best in the new year. Or here's to a great year ahead.
Here's to is such a useful phrase. It's like making a toast. Here's to new beginnings. Here's to success. Here's to health and happiness.
Now, one phrase you must know. When talking about plans, natives say, "I'm looking forward to."
This is the phrase we promised you. It's gold. I'm looking forward to traveling more. I'm looking forward to seeing my family. I'm looking forward to what this year brings.
The grammar is important. After looking forward to, you use an ing verb or a noun, not the infinitive. So it's looking forward to seeing you, not looking forward to see.
Practice this 5 times today and it'll become natural.
All right, let's put it all together. Sophie and I will have a quick conversation using everything we learned. Listen for the phrases.
Hey Liam, Happy New Year. How was your celebration?
It was fantastic. I went to my friend's place. We had dinner, played games, and watched the fireworks at midnight. How about you?
I kept it pretty low-key, just family time, but it was exactly what I needed. So, any resolutions?
Yeah, I'm planning to learn photography this year. I'm really looking forward to it. What about you?
My goal is to read 20 books. I'm starting strong, already finished one. Here's to a great year.
Here's to a great year.
And there you have it. Now you can talk about your new year in English naturally and confidently.
Remember the key points. Use strong adjectives. Say, "I went to a party," not "I made a party." And master, "I'm looking forward to."
Now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us what's one goal you have for this year. Write it in English. We read every comment and we'll help you if you make mistakes.
And if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to the HZ English Pod. We drop new lessons every week to boost your English.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep improving.
And remember, this is your year.
See you in the next one.